Welcome to WebStarburst. In this video, I will show you how to set Node.js environment variables. You may have used environment variables like this. For local development, I am using .env package and importing .env to expose environment variables to the app. Then I am logging the value from .env-file to the console. .env-file contains this value. If I run the app, I get this value from .env-file. But you don't need .env package with Node.js. So let's delete this import. With modern Node.js, you can run the app like this. Just pass --env-file flag to the node command and point the .env file. Then execute your code. That will do exactly the same thing. So you can skip .env package while using Node.js because Node.js supports environment variables file. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.